guys, welcome back to DC Solutions Tutorials. In this video I will show you how to install apache2 web server on your machine. So the first thing we do is update our repositories, but before that we will log into root mode and then we run the command apt update to update our repositories. So after our package list has been updated, we install apache2 using the command apt install apache2. So as we can see, my Apache is already in the newest version, so the system will automatically detect it. So the third step is to check the status of our apache2. So as you can see in the green highlight, it's already active and it's running, so there is no need to restart it. The IP address of the guest machine to ensure that it's running. So on our browser, if I maximize it, you can see the default Apache page. So this means that our Apache web server is ready to be used for development. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe to see more of our technical videos.